Hello everybody. I am at Walmart on this very cold morning. It says it's 30, but it feels like it's 10. All the cars are like frosted. It's cold. I didn't wear a hat, but that's okay. But we're at Walmart and I'm excited to do some couponing. Ibotta couponing, Shopkick couponing, all that jazz. Sorry for not doing a video on Sunday. I woke up, I couldn't open my eyes. My eyes were like just pure red. I think I had pink eye, but now my eyes are completely fine. I think I'm just getting old. I need glasses now. It's kind of sad to say. But if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I need like, well, less than 700 people to subscribe to hit 60,000. I'm hoping I can make it. I don't have my hopes up, but I'm hoping I can make it. So if you guys are new and you love saving money, or you love random deals, everything, subscribe to my channel. Also, tomorrow it's December 1st, and I am doing Vlogmas. So if you guys love Vlogmas, or you just love me doing random things, definitely check it out. I will be posting it on my main channel. I got a lot of advent calendars for the kids and I and the husband to open, so I'm pretty excited for that. So make sure you guys watch that. But let's go inside Walmart and have some fun. I don't know what I have for a weekend warrior yet because it's like 7:30 in the morning. So by the time I leave the store, it'll tell me what I got. But let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the Emetrol, however you pronounce it, for $6.72. You're gonna pay $6.72 for it. But right here we get 550 points and 15 cakes for purchasing and scanning the products. That's $5.65. So that comes up to be $2.12 back you get with Shopkicks. I do have a Fetch Rewards deal, but I have it where I get $3 if I spend 15. And then we also get $3.36 back with Ibotta. So your final price for this just comes out to be $1.10. So here's some great deals on the Merci chocolates. We have the Merci, the smaller pack for $6.96. You're gonna buy two of them and you will pay $13.92, okay? But there are a ton of rebate apps you can do. So you can either submit your receipt, to the Ibotta app where you'll get $1.50 back times 2, so $3 back with Ibotta. You can submit your receipt to the Shopium app where you'll get $2 back. You can also submit your receipt to the Checkout 51 where you'll get $1.74 back times 2. And if you want, there's also $2 back with Shopkicks as a regular manufacturer coupon. But you will also receive $4 back with Swag Bucks. So altogether, you'll pay $13.92. You get $3 back with Ibotta. You'll get the $4 back with Swag Bucks. You get $2 back with Shopium or Swag Bucks. And then you get $1.74 times 2 back with Checkout 51. $1.44 or just 72 cents. Then we have the larger Merci chocolates for $10.84. Together you will pay $21.68, but you get $6.50 back when you purchase 2 with Swag Bucks. You also get $1.74 times 2 on Checkout 51. You could either submit your receipt on the Shopium app for $2 or the Swag Bucks app for $2. And then you also get $2.50 back with Ibotta times 2. So 2 of these, you'll pay the $21.68, you'll get all that money back. Comes out to be $4.70 or $2.35 for that, which is an awesome deal. You can do both of these on the same transaction if you want. I got 2 of these last time, but I'm just gonna get these 2 because my husband likes these and I feel like that's too much chocolate if I give them all to my in-laws, but definitely an awesome deal. So here we have the Hallmark ornaments. There's some from like $9.48, $16, $10, $9.48, but we also have these blind ornaments. They're kind of cool. I've gotten these in the past, but basically what these are $5.98 We currently have a Ibotta rebate for $2 back. It is a limited too. So you would pay $5.98, but then you'd get $2 back, making these $3.98. So it's something kind of a little cool little ornament if you guys need to get some ornaments. My kids love blind bags, so why not? I'm just debating if I want to get Harry Potter or the Nightmare Before Christmas. They did have the princess ones, but those seem to be gone. But great deal if you guys need that. So now we're in the travel section, and we have this Tide to Go for $2.47. You'd pay $2.47 for it, but we currently have an $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making this just 97 cents. So this is a perfect little to-go item for just 97 cents. Okay, you guys, I found something that I've been looking for a long time. My store doesn't carry the bigger ones of these, but look at what I found. A Wienermobile. If you guys are from Wisconsin, you will understand. We see these all the time. But they got macaroni and cheese, which I have that one already. I have a Spam, I think. I got ranch. The goldfish one's cute. But yeah, these are awesome. I love it. I love it. Love it. I wish I had the pickle one, but I love it. So here's an easy freebie that you guys can do up to your discretion. So you can get the Palmolive soap for $2.98. You can submit your receipt to the shopping map for $1.50. You can also get $1.50 back with Ibotta. It is a limit of one, making this a 2-cent moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the Febreze small places for $3.24. We also have some of the sprays for $3.24. You will pay $3.24 for it, but there is a $2 rebate. You have to get a certain scent, but you get a $2 rebate with the Febreze, so that makes it just $1.24. And I'm gonna get the pumpkin patch. So I wish my store had the apple in the one pack, but pumpkin patch it is. So here we have the Tide Clean Boost or the Downy Rinse and Refresh. They're $6.97, but we currently have 2 Ibotta rebates that you guys can get. We have a $2 Ibotta rebate that is popping up with a limit of 1, and then we also have a $3.50 Ibotta rebate. I did scan the Tide Original, and I did scan a couple of the Downy ones, and both rebates are popping up. So you'd pay $6.97, you get $5.50 back with Ibotta, making it just $1.44 for this, which is an awesome deal. Here's a great deal on some Mariah's cereal for $1.94. It is on clearance, and we currently have $1.25. So you would pay the $1.24. All of a sudden, I can't get it to work. All of a sudden, you would pay the $1.94. You get the $1.25 back, making it 69 cents for a box of cereal. Awesome deal. It is a limit of 5. I'm not doing this deal, but there is some clearance chewy granola cereal for $3.58. We currently have a $1.25 bonus with our $1.25 Ibotta rebate. You would just get this for $2.33 each. It is a limited 2 if you're interested with that. My store also has a lot of other items on clearance, like there's this Sweet Dreams. I should see if there's an Ibotta rebate for that. But otherwise, we got Fruity Pebbles $3.50, Cocoa Pebbles $3, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle $3.50. The Rice Krispie Holidays is $3, which is actually a pretty good deal because it's family size. They do have some bag cereal for $1, another one for $3.50. But it's all like their seasonal stuff is on clearance that I can see. And then they have these Instabowls, some of those for $1. They're granola chips for $2, which I actually might get those for my husband. But decent deal if you guys are looking at some cereal. So here's a great deal for the Bob's Red Mill All-Purpose Flour. It is $7.94. You would pay $7.94. But I currently have a Shopkick deal where it says I get $750, but it won't let you submit it. But then when you go to the part where you submit it, I get 850 points, which is $3.40. You can also submit your receipt to checkout 51, where you'll get $1 back. And there is $1.50 back with Ibotta. So you pay $7.94, you get all that money back. This comes out to be just $2.04. $2.04 for some flour, considering the Walmart brand is $2.43. Awesome, awesome deal. Husband told me he wants to try this, but we're getting the California Pizza Kitchen dressing for $3.97. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, but this comes out to be just $1.97. He told me he wants the Thai one, which I am not finding it in this section. I might have to go down the aisle a little bit more, but $1.97 for some sauce is a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Haagen-Dazs ice cream treats for $3.98. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate that you guys can get back. Plus, I get 425 kicks for purchasing it, but as you see, you can't do it. But when you go here to submit your receipt, it shows that I do get 425 kicks, which is $1.75. This comes out to be just 28 cents. 28 cents, which is an awesome, awesome deal. So here's an awesome deal for the Werther's Originals. These are $1.28. You're gonna buy 2 of them. All of a sudden I can't get my calculator. You will end up just paying $2.56 for 2 of them. But we currently have an Ibotta deal where you get 25 cents back off of, you'll get 25 cents, so you get 50 cents back with Ibotta. Then we have a Swag Bucks deal where you get $2 back when you purchase the 2, making these just 6 cents. 6 cents, 3 cents a piece. You can't go wrong with that. Or awesome gift if you need to give somebody who has a hankering for some caramels. Hello everybody. I am back from Walmart and I'm here to share with you guys what I got, or what I did. Actually, I showed you guys everything I was gonna get. The only thing that I didn't get in that video was the bigger Merci chocolates and then the Quaker cereal. But yeah, I am pretty happy with going there. I couldn't believe how slow it was today. Like, the radio wasn't working. There was no music. There was no loud background noise. There was hardly anybody in the store. Like, there was more employees in the store than there were customers. And I'm just like, what is going on? But be prepared to see a lot of those Black Friday items going on clearance very soon. My stores had a lot of it all consolidated, but it's going to be coming on clearance very soon, so make sure you guys are keeping on that. One thing, if you guys don't know this, you can price check everything in the Walmart app. You can price check it. Now, if you are a Walmart Plus member, when I price some things, there's something that says it's out of stock or price unavailable. If you guys are ever in the store and you want to see what the price is, they don't have price checkers anymore. They don't have price checkers, but what you can actually do, I don't know if it'll pop up on me because I'm not in the store, but they actually have it where you can scan and go. I've never used it, but what I actually do is I pretend that I'm gonna scan and go, but I scan it just to have it ring up, and then it shows me what the price is, because there's these toys that I want to get the kids, but they don't ring up as a price, but then I do the scan and go just to do a price check, and I see it. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If you're ever in that situation and you have Walmart Plus, you can do the scan and go. You just gotta make sure you're in the Walmart store mode for that. But just giving you guys a heads up. But yes, everything that I got was $72.62. $72.62. I ended up getting $30.11 back with Ibotta. Now, pay attention with Ibotta lately, you guys. I've noticed when you scan the receipt, a lot of the items are not popping up. Before, that used to be all the items, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. But now it's okay, what I do is I'll pull my cart aside after I check out, and I will make sure that I have all the items on my list. I do have not printable breakdowns, but I have a printable spreadsheet just like this for you guys. I have it in the information below, so it keeps you, you write down your products, all that stuff, the stores, and then what your final price is, to help you guys keep track of what app is what. So that does help if you guys need that. But I always make sure I get it, because I noticed that the ornaments that I got did not ring up, and then the Tide did not ring up. So just giving you guys a heads up. But I did get $30.11. Now, I've heard a lot of people complaining that you're not getting your money instantly back with Ibotta. Yes, and I think it's because a lot of people are using the app right now. A lot of people are using the app. Times are tough. Times are tough. We're kind of going through another recession, and just give it a time to do it. I say usually give it like an hour. I mean, I've never seen it more than an hour, but I know some people are having problems. You just got to give it time, you know, but I always screenshot stuff. Speaking of that, Shopkicks. I ended up getting that Ameritol, whatever. It shows up for the thing, and then when I'm submitting my receipt, it doesn't show up anymore. It was there, and then it disappeared. So I ended up sending them a screenshot saying, hey, it shows up in my thing, but when I go to submit my receipt to like find the items, it's not there. So I messaged them, so hopefully they'll give me the points for that. I heard that Checkout 51 customers, or not Checkout, Shopkicks customer service is pretty good. So very rare I've ever had to contact them. So got that for that. With Checkout 51, I did receive $4.48. That was for the flour and then the Merci chocolates. I did get 25 points from Fetch Rewards, you guys. 25 points. You know what that is? 2 cents. Yay, 2 cents. That's awesome. Yeah, Swagbucks, I did receive $6.06 back. I got like 1 point for the receipt, and then there was 5 points for something that I bought. I can't remember what I bought, but it was like 5 points that I got for that. So, yeah. And then with Shopium, I submitted my receipt for the Merci chocolates and then the Palmolive dish soap, so I got $3.50 back with that. But Shopkicks, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I got $18.56, which is $7.42. So my grand total came to $21.03. I ended up getting 16 items at $1.31 each. So yeah, if you guys think about it, like the Merci chocolates, they're like, that's $13 right there. And then I did get 2 of those Hallmark ornaments. I think I'm gonna give them to my kids for their stocking. I just gotta go hide it before my kids help themselves to whatever I have. But those are an easy like stocking gift, even if you don't do that. But yeah, I was pretty excited for everything that I got. So $21.03, 16 items at $1.31 each. Remember, make sure you're submitting your receipts to the Walmart app. So even if you guys are not, even if you, every time I go to Walmart, I always go to the Walmart app and I scan my receipt because my brand club is connected to the Walmart.com and Target and Amazon, and I get like a couple bucks a week just from brand club. I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is just hit that little button and it searches all my purchases, and I get a couple bucks. You don't have to do anything. There's surveys that you have to do. You don't have to do that. If you want, I don't even do the surveys. I just make sure I'm in the club for each of those products, and then I just make sure that I check my brand club like once a week, and I get a couple bucks every week, and it adds up. So I'm just saying, I know it's confusing, but yes. But that was my haul. That was everything that I got. I'm pretty excited. Yes, I will be definitely going back to Walmart. I did have a Weekend Warrior. I needed 18 rebates for the Weekend Warrior. I only got, I think, I got 14. So I just need 4 more rebates for the Weekend Warrior. So I'm hoping to maybe get that at Walgreens. And then there's that toy chest bonus where I need $10. And that's not going to be done. That's not going to be done. So, but I'm still happy with what I got. I wanted to get the Dollar Shave Club items, okay? The Dollar Shave Club items. My store is still sold out. It says it's in stock, but it's not. My store is slowly putting all of those things in glass containers. When I was there last week, they were not. Half of their makeup is already in glass containers. That whole entire section is going to be in glass containers soon, along with the personal care items. It's crazy how much theft is going on, but I hate it because I don't know. I just hate it. I hate it that, you know, we have to have somebody come and help us get that stuff out, and it sucks that we can't, like, you know, price. I always scan a lot of stuff, and now we won't be able to scan a lot of that stuff because of that. But yes, I just want to say thank you guys. If you guys are interested, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I would love to have you guys. Welcome to my crazy deals by DesignerJen. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.